Maiden Day. It's March 1st, 2022. This is a little Cloud Ranger that I just finished building. This is going to be the maiden flight. It's got a Norvel 061. I've already run the engine. It's still not running 100%, but I'm more concerned with the idle. And it's not all that great right now.
Mid rates, high rates, motor on.
Fast. So we're gonna give it a go. A lot of up trim. A lot of up trim. That's a little better. Ailerons are about perfect. Still running really rich. This is high rates. I've got 3 rates set up. Oh yeah. Inverted. Cool. Not bad. I know it's far out. I'll try to get a little closer. Little aileron trim. I'm going to switch to mid rates. I'd like to fly it on low rates. Let me see how this does. Again, the build, this is the very first flight. The build came out at underweight. It was 21.3 ounces, I think. I was happy with that. I did take a lot of effort into building it light. I took the steel push rods for the elevator and rudder, substituted that with carbon fiber rod. And I had bigger motors. I had 10 size motors, the 074. I just really wanted it lightweight. Not bad pull out. And again, this is the 061 Norvel. I'm going to try to do another roll on low rates. No, it needs more rates, which I like that. I've got them if I need them. Here we go. Inverted. Still inverted. It's not bad for a flat bottom wing. Gonna roll out. Switch back to mid rates. Got my timer set up on 5 minutes. It hasn't gone off yet, but I think I'm gonna land to see how much fuel I have. I didn't time the tank yet, and I really don't want to dead stick it on the Maiden. So this is 13 seconds left out of 5 minutes. Oh, it's going to be a little fast at idle. May have to land it in the grass. It's me trimming the idle down, but if I trim it down too much, I'm afraid it's just going to shut off. Which it just did. So dead stick landing. Whoa, very floaty. Oh, all right, Maiden in the books.